Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm Thomas and today you join me in this rather wet and grey June to discuss and show you the 2025 model year Range Rover Velar. Now I've wrote out the spec sheet here because this is going to be an interesting video on the options of this vehicle. Now this is a dynamic SE D300 Velar, so it's the middle of the range, sits below the autobiography and above the S trim. The D300 denotes it's the 3 litre 6-cylinder diesel engine, which is an option within itself. However, this car, the blue paint is called Varsine Blue paint, which hopefully I'm saying that correctly, is £750. We're paying £450 up here for the privacy glass, as well as £700 for this contrasting black roof. And then the alloy wheels surprised me. They're £840 for these 21-inch alloy wheels. As you can see there, they're called the Satin Dark Wheels style, I want to say 5109 or S109 that I wrote down here. Now work way around to the rear of the car. There is nothing extra special around the rear, but I want to show you the updated lights. They've got the kind of polka dots in them. But if I jump into the back of the car, I do like the flush door handles. Jump in here. This car does have the cold climate pack, which adds the rear heated seats back there. You've got passenger and behind the driver. We do have heated seats as well as heated and cooled seats up front, which according to my little notebook here adds £1,100 just for the heated and cooled front seats, as well as these rear heated seats. Back here, not too much else has been changed. We do have this wood trim on the door cards as well as the centre console there, and Land Rover call that shadow grey ash veneer for £385. So if you like your wood, that is an option. What else do we have? We need to jump up front for the rest of the options up here. Now everything is controlled through this touchscreen here, and we do have dynamic, which is a dynamic handling pack that allows you to configure things like that, as well as the external red brake calipers and the air suspension, so we can drop it down to access or off-road. You do have that dynamic capability. This pack is £1,530. Now what else we have is the terrain response 2 system with the dynamic programming, which I'm going to presume is into here. As you can see, you've got all these various things. I presume it's going to be something associated with one of those programs. The next one is the heads-up display, which is quite nice. If you can see that on today's camera, just about there on the camera, that's £900. And then we have a Wi-Fi enabled data plan for £440. I believe it lasts 3 years. And then we've got a Secure Tracker Pro somewhere in the car, obviously, so you don't want your car stolen. It brings that's for £340, so that brings the grand total to options on this Range Rover Velar to £7,760. That is the Range Rover Velar, so this one is just over £72,000 as equipped.